Why? What? I'm confused.
I know.
So you guys paid for it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the okay, just
What's up, guys? Welcome back to StaticWorks. Today we're gonna be revealing my girlfriend's new car to you guys and to her. So dude.
What's up, dude?
So
today
we're gonna be revealing a new car.
I should say last night Danny went and picked up this beautiful thing, and
Comment down below what you think it is.
we're actually surprising her.
So the whole story behind it, before we even get started, was we were looking for a specific type of car, and we were looking at a couple. We only saw one in person, but it was extremely mint and bone stock, which they never really are, and that's what she wanted. She wanted to start from scratch, and the body looks really nice, and she's gonna be paying for it. She's gonna get the loan for it, but I partnered with her dad, and he gave me the money to actually get the car, and she's just gonna get a loan to give him the money back. So yes, she's gonna be paying for this car, but I pretty much got to choose because she wanted to make sure from my side that it was mechanically stable and the car was actually reliable. So that's what I did for her, and she called me on the phone yesterday to ask how it went to actually check out the car, because I did do a compression test, and I told her that it was okay and that I still have to think about, you know, if I should actually let her get the car. So she was kind of bummed out, and right after that she actually wanted to go look at other cars, so I had to obviously fake everything. So I did tell her that we were gonna go look at cars tomorrow, but in reality when she comes home from work I'm gonna be revealing this thing. So the car we decided to get was So I decided to get a 90, well, technically it's a 90 because that's the first year of the Miata, but she is gonna get an 89, which was when it was purchased, and honestly it looks really nice exterior wise, and even interior wise. The motor needs some work, but for the mileage and everything we'll go more into detail once we finish drying it, but it looks really nice, and I think the price was worth it. I have yet to find an actual big dent on this car, and it's a clean title, so it's really nice. So once we get it to my house, after we're done drying it here at Bruce's house, then I'll do a complete walk around and show you everything, but we'll show you how it is driving it there. And how we're going to plan everything is we're gonna park it at a park next to my house, and while we do Bruce's car and start working on the Veloster, we're gonna tell her that we're gonna head over there to pick something up, pick some goodies from AutoZone or something to kind of just get her head, you know, confused about where we're going. And then when we're coming back, Gonzo is gonna be filming the reaction from the inside of the car with me, and then Bruce is actually gonna be holding the phone right next to her. So once she starts walking out to the street, he's gonna pull out his phone and start recording. So we're gonna have two angles of her surprise. I don't know how she's gonna react. Imagine she's like, fuck this Miata. So this is gonna be really hard because I'm gonna be trying to drive stick in one hand. Woo! So one thing we just noticed, which we didn't record because we got really fucking scared, was that the car was idling extremely low, probably like around 300. I just put new gas in it, and this car has been sitting, the owner said, but it was driving fine with the old gas, so it might be a dirty air filter. We did a compression test and it ran 150 all across, which it's kind of low, but because they're consistent numbers, it should not have a problem. So it's obviously going to either be a spark issue, which spark plugs are fine, it could be the spark plug wires, it could be a dirty air filter, or something to do with the air control valves, or the fuel filter. The best part about driving this car is the pop-up headlights, and it handles really fucking good. Now that I arrived to my house, I'm gonna be walking around the whole car and just telling you all the flaws that I see that we definitely need to fix. We can start with the paint. Obviously the clear coat is fading. You can see right there on the mirrors, and on the back side actually it's really nice. We could probably polish it out, but even on this side I feel like the only bad part would be the other side, the driver's side. And there's a dent right here, which honestly isn't even that bad. It's on the bumper, and we're gonna end up getting a new bumper for this. We have a full mod list already ready for it, so I don't think it's gonna be that bad. Is that a turbo dog? Is that a wax Z dog? Coming to the soft top, it's all beat to shit. There's duct tape everywhere, but he included a soft top in the trunk, so we just have to install it when we have time. But for now we're just gonna be driving like that. It does make a little flappy noise with this, just coming back and forth. We'll probably cut it because there is a hole right there, so probably cut it and then re-tape it up. So what she needs to do is actually put a car cover every time she drives it, so just in case it rains we need to get a waterproof one. Looking at the engine bay, it does look really nice. The whole story with this is that it got remanufactured, so it got swapped out with a new motor. The guy said it was rebuilt, but when I was reading the actual paperwork, I don't think it was. I think they just swapped it over. But he did replace the valve cover gasket. You can see there's oil down there, which we still need to figure out where it's coming from, because he said it was from the valve cover, but I'm not sure if it really is. So we're gonna clean it all down and figure it out. But other than that, everything looks good in here. The compression test, like I said, ran 150, so we didn't even want to do a block test because if all those numbers are consistent, then obviously there is going to be no problems with passing the block test, which just checks for head gasket leaks. What I'm thinking of is just replacing the air filter, all the spark plug wires and spark plug, clean out all the sensors and do the fuel filter, and hopefully that should make it idle better, because it does idle really smooth. It's just, I guess only twice that we experienced it, that it just started dying, dying out, but it was still staying on, so it wasn't completely just bogging out. Looking at the inside, everything looks really nice and obviously all original. It was swapped with the NB steering wheel and he didn't align it right, so it's a little sideways. But the only thing that I see on this seat is the tear, and the other seat looks really nice and everything else looks pretty cool. The radio doesn't work that well, so I'm thinking of just getting her a transmitter or just get a new stereo later on, but for now I'll probably do that. There's things that obviously fall apart because it is a Miata. The shifter feels like it needs new bushings because there's some play back and forth when you try to twist it, so obviously that's going to be turning into a short shifter, so we're not going to need that. There is duct tape right there. Don't know why, don't want to peel it off to find out, so obviously there is going to be a hole or something. But overall, I think it looks really clean for how much we got it for, and I think she's gonna like it. We just finished washing my dad's G37 because we're gonna actually make a stop to another place that we're gonna try to get a sponsorship, and that's gonna be locally, and that's gonna be Detail Garage in Oxnard. They sell a bunch of cleaning products from Chemical Guys, so they sell their products Chemical Guys, but the store is obviously called Detail Garage. And we're all gonna go to show them our cars because I already talked to him. He wanted to see some of our builds, so I'm gonna take my car. My dad's gonna take his G37. Obviously, Gonzo and Bruce are gonna take their whips, and Martin's gonna come right now with the stock gas, boom gas, G35, full bolt-on, probably gap all over our asses, but still, he's gonna go and we're gonna show him all of our builds, and not the Miata though, not the Miata, because Stephanie's not here yet. But before we even go, we're gonna surprise her with it, and we're gonna be driving into the park right now.
Ventanas, ventanas. And then they spit on it, they go, and just wipe it the shirt.
Full send?
Hold on, not gonna...
Hey, ventanas, ventanas. Hey,
And then they go,
hashtag ventanas.
hey, make it a slap. Stop, bitch, you already broke the last one, god damn it. I got money just fucking spent on fuzzy dice.
Dude, it's just a baby pool right now.
What the? That's it, Bruce. That's it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Fuck. Fuck.
Now that we're back, here's an update on my headlights. This is how they look. A lot of people were telling me to get the shrouds, but since it is black, I can't really notice this, so I'm not really gonna spend the time for it. I might do a double xenon. I am getting a LED bulb to replace the turn signal and my side marker, so it's gonna be, whoa, what are you doing? Look who showed up, look who showed up. What's up, dude?
So we didn't really do a video because we did a video on Gonzo's and we kind of felt it was pointless to make another video, even though this was a little better.
Yeah, if you guys actually want to see the videos that we do, even if they're repeated ones, just on different cars, just let us know and we'll be able to do that.
So it is. The rear is gutted.
So our plan is to either paint it, which I want him to paint it, but it's gonna be more expensive because you have to take all this shit off.
What I want to do first is a spray primer and rhino line it with black. That way when we do the wrap, the certain color that I want, it at least matches, because the color that I want will not match with the gray.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I know it's weird.
It might, maybe, just a little bit.
Maybe. I know it's not the right way, but I want to do it to where at least it looks decent together.
So our first step is vacuuming this whole shit out.
Yeah, we still gotta vacuum.
And then trying to figure out how to remove this because it is really hard.
Or I just spray over it. I don't really care much.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a big deal.
But we'll show you from the other view.
I mean, there's still junk in there. I haven't cleaned it out yet.
Should we go for a drive and then we can see how loud it is inside?
So I took Bruce after we dumped everything.
I know, he
I
said.
had the seats, it kicked out. Even with the seats in, I was surprised. I didn't expect it. Let's go for a drive.
Okay, so we're doing all of this before Stephanie comes. We're not really gonna work on the cars. This is more of a vlog type of day. What do you think we should title this video? Because I don't want to say surprising my girlfriend with her dream car because she's paying for it. Because I am surprising her because she doesn't know that I got it. You know what I mean? But you know, StaticWorks doesn't have the money to be able to afford a new car.
We don't get enough views. We're not that important.
So
but okay.
click that bell button. I never say that, and I probably won't ever say it again. But click that bell button to get notified when we drop videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and comment how you feeling. Even though if you hate us, it's okay too. Just comment. E30. Ooh. Damn. Bruce, you better fucking zoom that in. Full send for the boys, eh? The whole squad. So Martin just came back because he went to go pick up his girlfriend because everyone's waiting on the surprise. And Eden just showed up. Everyone showed up and she's literally right around the corner because I just called her. So, hey, we haven't told her yet, dude. What's up, bro? We haven't told her yet. She has a static hat. Is that static Corolla? Is that static Stephanie? Is that static Stephanie?
What's that?
She's only been in like 2 videos, so if you haven't met her, this is my beautiful girlfriend, Static Stephanie. She made it on Instagram,
I'm
even though she doesn't have a fucking
but I'm
car.
never on camera.
But follow her. Happy birthday!
Today?
Yeah, we're gonna check his brakes. That's it, and then we'll go to detail garage. So we're gonna pull out his car, but me and fucking Gonzo have to go. Me and Gonzo are gonna go get some brake stuff from. No, cause I don't think he needs brakes. But ready, Gonzo? Yeah. All right, so she literally has no clue. She thinks we're all hanging out. Oh my God.
I don't know, like when everyone's there, I'm like, dude, it just, everyone's way happier, like, I don't know. But then she's right there.
This is such a good vibe.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like, she doesn't fucking expect it at all.
That's so fun. It's gonna be so nice. Okay, turning right now. Okay, so we're gonna turn right now. So Gonzo, hold it still. And
Well, I got us right here, we're focused.
right when we turn over there, that's when you'll flip the camera like when we're close to them. Ready? Fuck up.
Fuck. Oh! They're all right there.
Go, turn it. I swear.
Shut up!
I swear.
You lied? You lied
Yes,
to
I
me?
lied.
She's gonna start crying. You fucking lied to me.
What the fuck? How?
What do you mean?
Why? What? I'm confused.
I know. We've had it all planned out since yesterday.
So you guys paid for it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the okay, just food.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
I can't believe you did this.
It starts bugging out right now, most likely, but it's fine. We'll fix it.
Oh, he She's getting ready.
I know.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we've been recording for a while now.
The whole video is about this.
Yeah. I'm like, I got my girlfriend a dream car, but she paid for it. Alright, you ready? Hold on.
I can't believe it.
Press that button. Press this button right there.
Which one?
The bottom. No. Pop up.
Shit.
Watch, start spamming it. Start spamming it. Like fast, really fast. Fast. No, it's really fast.
Oh, look, I'm sorry.
She's driven my car, but I don't know, I'm scared for her on this one. I mean, the clutch is really light.
On Pat's car. So.
Okay, alright, we'll see. Better not start, better not chug.
Are you ready?
Yes, doggy.
Okay. Go.
Oh.
Go.
Oh.
Now you have to let off the clutch a little slower.
Give me a break, dog.
This car makes so many noises, you're gonna be like, what the fuck? It's like breaking down. The stereo doesn't even work.
Really?
Yeah. I had to drive this to work.
You drove it to work?
Yeah, I drove it to work.
Dude, I can't believe this freaking... I can't believe you did this shit. I hate you, I love you more.
You'll start getting the feel of it once you start driving it a lot. You'll start being able to practice how to do it.
Was my dad there with you when you guys bought it?
Yeah, he gave me the money. We talked and he went over to look at it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we had it all planned out already. We were almost not gonna get it, and I convinced them.
Your dad? Am I my dad?
Yeah. So what do you think?
I have no words. I really don't.
So this project is actually gonna be part of a new series that we're gonna be doing, and we won't go into detail right now, but just know it's gonna go with the girls' builds.
No, it's been nice.
Dude, it actually has a Nardi steering wheel though?
This is from the newer one.
That's
He
so
swapped
hard.
it, yeah.
Did you guys drive it?
No.
I just drove it. I was being the shit
That's
out
so
of it.
cool.
You guys want to drive it?
But yeah, so we're gonna be starting a new series with my girlfriend and Gonzo's girlfriend, and we'll go more into detail on it in a later video. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope she enjoyed this video. Hope she enjoyed this Miata. And we'll see you guys on the next one.